Venn diagrams with 3 sets might look like the final boss of IGCSE Math, but they follow strict rules. If you fill out the circles from the outside in, you will instantly lose all your marks. Let me show you why. Imagine a massive, luxurious outdoor music festival in Dubai. It features 3 completely different concert stages with different genres. Stage A plays hip-hop. Stage B plays electronic dance music. Stage C strictly plays heavy rock music all night. Some loyal fans stay at one single stage all day. They never leave to see the other performances. Other fans like 2 genres. They split their time running back and forth between 2 different active stages. But the absolute VIP fans visit all 3 stages. They stand exactly where the 3 sound systems perfectly overlap. And anyone who does not like the music sits outside in the food court, far away from the loud stages. In math, the festival grounds are a rectangle called the universal set. The stages are 3 overlapping circles. Because the 3 circles overlap each other, they chop the rectangle into exactly 8 distinct mathematical regions. Let us learn the exact examiner notation. The very center is where all 3 circles perfectly overlap. This is the VIP section. We write A, intersect B, intersect C. The symbol means AND. Now, look at the fans who visit exactly 2 stages. For example, hip-hop and electronic music only. They are inside circle A and circle B, but completely outside of circle C. We use the prime symbol. The prime symbol is a tiny dash, and it simply means not. We write A, intersect B, intersect C, prime. What about the loyal fans at a single stage? Inside circle A, but outside both B and C. This region is A, intersect B prime, intersect C prime. It represents the items in exactly one single group. Finally, the people in the food court. They are outside all 3 circles, but still inside the universal rectangle. This entire outer region is written as A union B union C in brackets with a prime symbol outside. Sometimes, the examiner asks for the number of elements in a subset. They put a lowercase n in front. For example, n bracket A intersect B. This means the total number of people in both set A and set B. You must physically add together the 2 separate regions where A and B overlap to get your final correct number. Now, let us tackle a brutal 6-mark past paper question. Students study statistics, algebra, and geometry. Here is the golden rule of Venn diagrams. You must always start filling numbers from the absolute center. Our first clue is at the bottom. 4 students do not like studying any of the 3 subjects. We place the number 4 completely outside the 3 circles, but securely inside the universal set rectangle. Now we hunt for the absolute center. The question says 5 students like all 3 subjects. Write the number 5 directly into the middle intersection where all 3 circles overlap. That is your anchor. Next clue. 11 students like statistics and algebra. This is where the subtraction trap ruins your exam. You cannot just write 11 in the empty space. The intersection covers that entire football-shaped overlapping region. It includes the 5 VIP students we already placed in the center. You must subtract them first. 11 minus 5 is exactly 6. we place the 6 in the empty space for statistics and algebra only.
Next clue. 16 students like algebra and geometry. That is the entire overlap between circle A and circle G.
Always subtract the center. 16 minus 5 equals exactly 11. Write 11 in that specific empty region. Next clue. 8 students like statistics and geometry. This is the overlap between circle S and circle G. Subtract the center 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Write a 3 in the remaining empty intersection space. Now, we move to the single circles. 25 students like geometry in total. Look at circle G. The entire geometry circle must add up to 25. It already contains 3, 5, and 11. We subtract what we have. 25 minus 5 minus 11 minus 3 leaves exactly 6. Write the number 6 in the final empty space of the geometry circle. Now things get complicated. The question states the number who like only statistics is identical to the number who like only algebra. We do not know this exact number, so we must introduce algebra. Let X be the total statistics students. To find the students who like only statistics, we take X and subtract the intersections we already found. We write X minus 5 minus 6 minus 3. This simplifies perfectly to X minus 14. Write this down. Place X minus 14 in the space for statistics only. The clue said the algebra-only students are identical. So we also write an identical X minus 14 in the outer region for the algebra circle. Our Venn diagram is now completely filled out. Let us move to part B to solve for X. The final clue says exactly 30 students like studying algebra. This is your master equation to secure full marks. This means every single value inside the entire algebra circle must add up to exactly 30. Let us write it. We add them together. X minus 14 plus 6 plus 5 plus 11 equals exactly 30. Let us simplify the numbers on the left side. Minus 14 plus 22 is positive 8. So the equation elegantly simplifies to x plus 8 equals 30. Subtract 8 from both sides. X equals exactly 22. And remember, we defined X as the total number of students who like statistics. The question asks for exactly that number. You have found your final answer. 22 students like statistics. You just solved a massive 6-mark problem. Let us quickly recap the unbreakable rules of Venn diagrams. Always start from the absolute center. Always subtract the center number before writing values in the overlapping sections. Use simple algebra when a specific region is unknown. Then use the final total to solve the entire diagram. Follow GetYourTutors for more IGCSE Math masterclasses and secure that A* today.